Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening. Salam sejahtera kepada saudara-saudari sekalian.
Salam.
Nama saya Lim Lee Eng, bukan YV. Yeah, just call me Lim Eng. Okay, first of all, I want to thank the presence of many policemen. They are here to protect our safety. Yeah. Actually, before I came here, I was asked to go to Balai TDDI to give my statement. It's about the one ceramah in Sungai Punchala, just next door. They claim there is a ceramah without permit, so I have to give my statement. So this is how Pakatan Rakyat politician, before and after ceramah, we have to go to police station. Huh? Okay. Let's begin with Taman Tun. What is Taman Tun? Taman Tun is the city that Najib, our Prime Minister, very interested in. You know, after Najib toppled Badawi and he replaced Badawi as a Prime Minister in 2009, he has launched many programs. There's one program called Government Transformation Program, GTP. Under this program, there are so many sub-programs, A, B, C, C, D, E, E, F, G, so many. And there's one called Safe City Program. I believe all of you have heard of it, Safe City Program. And under this Safe City Program, there's a pioneer city, earmarked by Najib as the pioneer safe city. And that city is Taman Tun. Don't wire, okay, let me explain, okay, don't wire. Okay, what has he done? And what happened to Taman Tun? Is Taman Tun safe? I don't know. I stay in Jalan Ipoh, okay, you tell me. Okay, it's not that I don't want to believe you, okay. Let me tell what I read in the Star, okay, in the Star. After Najib announced launching the pioneer city, Taman Tun, as a safe city under his government transformation program, Greater KL. He said in Taman Tun, they will install more street lights, they will install more CCTVs, and they will have more police patrols. Okay?
CCTV Rosa.
I don't know about that. Okay, all this I say, yeah, good, very good measure. But after he announced, less than a month, during Chinese New Year, you know what happened? That was about, if I'm not mistaken, about 2 or 3 years ago. During the Chinese New Year, that was less than a month after the announcement. Taman Tun as a pioneer safe city in the entire Malaysia. What happened? It was reported in the Star. I read it in the Star. There was a bank. The ATM machine kena tarik. Kena tarik. Actually, 2 ATM machine kena tarik. Just imagine, if they have so many CCTV, police patrol, how could this happen? 2 ATM machines been thrown away. And they lost, the bank lost about 200,000. It's important in the Star. And let me ask you, which bank was it?
CIMB.
Who owns CIMB?
Najib's brother.
Whose brother?
Najib's brother.
So if he can't even protect his own brother's bank, what do you expect from him? I know, DAP people, all they motoring now. It's all reported in the Star. So Najib said, you know, in the Star just now, Yobi show you all the advertisement. A word for PN is a word for stability. Every day in the Star, a vote for PN is a vote for stability. He said if you vote for DAP, it will be hulu harder. Come on, I want to tell Mr. Najib, Mr. PM, it's about our safety, stupid. Right, no, it's about safety. You don't talk about a vote for DAP, it's a vote for chaotic city. It's all about safety. You take care of safety, then we say you are good. But look at Taman Tun. Every week, on a weekly basis, I receive email, SMS, phone call. Now we have this new invention. Actually, I kind of hate it. WhatsApp. Oh man. WhatsApp. Telling me, break in there, snatch it there. And I read somewhere in the newspaper, I forgot which newspaper, yesterday. There is a prominent person very close to Barisan Nasional. Kena robbed. Kena rob, I think few thousand, 9,000 when the person coming out from a restaurant. Who's that person? Very close to Barisan Nasional. The managing director of New Straits Times. Yeah, it's reported. Not in Haraka, not in Rocket. I think it's the Sun. Yeah, I think it's reported the Sun. I believe the New Straits Times reporter is also here. So you better verify with your managing director. Is this true? And if this is true, why is this not highlighted in New Straits Times? Tamantul is not safe. Yeah.
Front page news.
Front page.
Should be.
Should be, yeah, should be front page news. So this is the state of Tamantul. And Tamantul is a pioneer. With earmark, pioneer, safe city. Announced by Najib. Okay, now, I want to talk about the other tagline, the other propaganda by Najib. He say a vote for BN is a vote for prosperity. Yeah. He say if you vote for DAP Pakatan Raya, we will bankrupt the country. Everything we do, we will bankrupt the country. We do this, bankrupt. We do that, bankrupt the country. Well, not. But can you tell me, few years back, which UMNO minister say UMNO Barisan Nasional will bankrupt the country by the year 2019?
Idris Jala.
It was Idris Jala, the UMNO minister. He said if we let UMNO Barisan Nasional continue to rule our country, so you don't have to wait until 2020. 2019, the country will be bankrupt by UMNO Barisan Nasional. Okay, let me show you proof.